Hey everyone, this is Mark. This is a new edition of our e-commerce email marketing training. This is the copywriting masterclass plus checklist of do's and don'ts for your e-commerce email marketing, and you'll get 50 examples of amazing email copy from 7, 8, and 9-figure brands. All right, let's get into it. So why should you even look at this guide? So my name is Mark, and for the past 5 years, I scaled my own e-commerce brands to $500K per month and helped many other brands similar to yours, including a brand from a portfolio company of a publicly traded company, increase their bottom line revenue from e-marketing. And in total, I helped clients at 10 million in attributed revenue. YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, please follow me there. And then here are just some results we got for our clients. 198K per month, 2 million in attributed revenue, 72K, 45K, and then there's much more. Part 1, Introduction to Copywriting in Email Marketing. Why does copywriting matter? Copywriting is the most powerful tool in email marketing because you're selling with words. Whether if you're looking to increase sales, build customer loyalty, or improve engagement, great copy drives results. In the digital world, words are your sales force, and mastering copywriting can take your business to the next level. So you must understand the importance of copywriting email marketing. You have to create copy that's captivating and engages your audience, convey your value proposition. Good copy builds trust and credibility, and most importantly, it drives conversion and sales. Copywriting is important because when you're online, you're just selling with words. Email copy is the voice of your brand. If you're not getting conversion, it's likely because your copy isn't connecting with your audience. This guide provides step-by-step instruction, real-world examples, and actionable advice to help you transform your email copy that drives sales. So here are just 10 copywriting tips from the copy master himself. So first, you have to know your audience, which is research. Highlight benefits, not features. Use simple, clear language. Compelling headlines. You want to tell a story, include a strong call to action, leverage social proof and testimonial. Focus on the first 90 characters of your copy. Use power words, and you have to keep it human. So why is copy important for e-commerce brands? Without strong copy, your emails will go unnoticed. If you're running a growing e-commerce brand, every email sent to your subscriber is an opportunity to convert them into buyers. If you're not optimizing your email copy, you're leaving money on the table. What if my copy is bad? If your emails aren't converting, you're missing out on potential revenue and long-term customer relationships. This guide will teach you how to use copywriting frameworks that help 7, 8, and 9-figure brands drive more sales through email. So here's what you do not want to do in your emails. Part 2, what you should do. So first, this is probably 80% of what you should do. You have to understand your market. Research competitors, identify what type of language, offers, and emotional triggers that work in the industry. This gives you a solid foundation to build from and fill out your audience identity, dreams, and obstacles and problems from websites like Reddit, Amazon reviews, YouTube comments, and social media. Why these platforms? Because these people don't know that they're being recorded for market research purposes. Platforms like these give the most honest advice from customers. Next, you want to build your customer avatar. So define your target audience, create a detailed profile of your ideal customer, identify their pain points, desires, and motivations. And when you know who you're writing for, you can tailor your copy to speak directly to them. So here's an example of a customer avatar. You can design it how you want, but if you want to keep it simple, just keep it text-based. Next, you want to use emotional triggers. Emotion is a key driver of purchasing decisions. So use emotional triggers to connect with your audience, whether it's excitement, curiosity, or urgency. You want to tap into what the customer cares most about and show them how your products can meet their needs. So here's a list of psychological triggers that you can use. Some examples: feeling of involvement, ownership, honesty, integrity, credibility, value, or proof of value, justifying the purchase, greed, and the rest you can read yourself. You want to keep it short and concise. So time is pretty precious, so keep your copy short and impactful. Preferably 150 words or less in your graphic emails, and then 300 words or less on your plain text or branded text emails. What you want to do is get straight to the point, ensure that your message is clear, concise, and compelling from the first sentence to the last. And my word guidelines aren't super strict, so it may vary depending on the style of graphic email or plain text you're using. Some can be longer, some can be shorter. It's really up to you. Next, you want to focus on the benefits over features. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. Focus on copy on how your products can improve the customer life rather than listing features. Always ask yourself, how does this benefit the customer? So here's an example of features versus benefits. So the feature is a simple to-do list, but the benefits of that is you get more done every day. Another feature, easily plan your workday. Benefits, you're able to hit your goals. Prioritize important tasks. Benefit of that is you're able to focus on what matters most. Simple setup. Benefits of that is you start saving time today. So feature, benefit, feature, benefit, feature, benefit. What is the benefit of these features for the audience? You have to think of it that way. And then you want to include a strong call to action. So your call to action should be bold, clear, and direct. Whether it's shop now, get 20% off, or download a free guide, you want to make it easy for the customer to understand what action you want them to take. You also want to apply copywriting frameworks like problem, agitation, solution. So problem, you're opening by addressing a problem that the audience faces. Agitation, make the problem feel real by agitating the pain or inconvenience it causes. Solution, you want to present your products as a clear, simple solution to their problem. So here's just a visual example of the PSA framework or PASS. Then you want to apply the ADA framework, which is attention, interest, desire, and action. So action, you want to use a powerful headline or subject line to grab the attention. Interest, engage the reader by addressing a problem or benefit they care about. Desire, make them want to finish your product by explaining the benefits. Action, finish with a clear, strong call to action that tells the readers what to do next. So the ADA motto, visualize, bam. Personalization, use personalized elements in your emails from addressing the customer's name by tailoring content based on their past behaviors. Personalized emails are more likely to be opened and acted upon. And it's not just first name, it's more about their life cycle and where they're at their purchasing stage. New customers should be spoken to differently than past customers. So what kind of copy should we write? So when they're most aware, you want to be super direct, product and price focused. Product aware, you want to show discounts and deals. Solution aware, have claims improve. Problem aware, tell them the benefits and the anxieties. When they're problem aware, you want to tell them about the benefits, and when they're unaware, use stories and secrets to get them to the next stage. So part 3, why invest in great copywriting? Higher conversion rates. So great copy drives sales. Everyone knows this. Emails with strong, persuasive copy gives higher open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately leads to more conversions. By investing in high-quality copy, you're directly improving your brand's ability to generate revenue. Building brand trust and loyalty. When your emails consistently provide value, clarity, and relevancy, your audience starts to trust your brand. That trust builds loyalty, turning one-time buyers into repeat customers who advocate for your brand. Next, you get improved customer retention rates. Copywriting doesn't just help with acquisition. It's a powerful tool for customer retention. Post-purchase emails, re-engagement campaigns, and personalized offer keep your customers engaged and loyal. So with a brand voice, you get emotional connection, and then emotional connected customers are more valuable and ready to buy. In a crowded marketplace, great copy is a differentiator. While other brands may focus on visual or promotions, having expertly crafted emails gives you an edge. Your brand voice becomes recognizable and trustworthy, setting you apart from your competitors. Part 4, follow the do's and don't checklist. So for your subject line, these are your do's and don'ts. So pause this video anytime or just sign up to that link and you'll get a free copy below. Subject line, preview text, do's and don'ts. Header/hook, do's and don'ts. Subheader, do's and don'ts. Body, do's and don'ts. Call to action, do's and don'ts. Footer, do's and don'ts. Additional tips, do's and don'ts. Mobile optimization, totally not related to copy, but you need these anyways. Do's and don'ts. Testing and proofreading, do's and don'ts. Compliance and best practices, do's and don'ts. After all that, and after you follow all that, you want to test and optimize. You want to regularly test and optimize your email campaigns to enhance engagement and conversion rates. Analyze key metrics like open rates and click-through rates, and you want to use A/B testing to experiment with different subject lines, content, and send times. By identifying what resonates with your audience, you can refine your strategy for way better results. Part 5, how to apply this to your own brand. So what you want to do is replicate success. When you find what works, replicate it for future campaigns. Examine your highest performing emails to understand why they succeeded. be it the subject line, personalization, or call to action. And then you want to apply these successful elements consistently to amplify your email marketing effectiveness and grow your e-commerce brand. So if you have a winning campaign, create 4 of them, send it out, and see what works better. And then bonus, you get 100 email copy from 7, 8, and 9-figure brands. So again, won't go too much in detail with these because it's a lot of them.
Okay, I guess it was 100. It wasn't 50. Whoops. Well, 50 sounds nice anyways.
And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed. You can find me here. My agency at Dahas Digital, we contractually guarantee 50 to 500K per month in email revenue within 60 days. So if you do need help with this, so your next step, if you need help, is to schedule a strategy section and get a free email audit. So to book a call, you should have a link below, or you can just download this guide and then you'll be directed here. So that's pretty much it. And I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.